Ms. Nancy Tao WhatsApp, WeChat, 00861 593109879. Email, nancy@qdych.com. Web, www.qdych.com. Qingdao, Yich, Mechanical Technology Co., Ltd_, economic spraying painting equipment for slab door. The spraying painting machine for door is developed for spraying primer, finish coat for doors made from solid wood, MDF, plywood, WPC etc. It can spray various types of paint, such as PU, water-based paint, UV, NC, AC, PE etc. It can not only spray the primer coat, also can spray the finish coat. This door painting machine can spray one door with all sides in 1.5 to 2 minutes. Say about 150 doors per day. 8 working hours one day. Closed spray booth is equipped with air intake system, air filtering system, air exhaust system, make fresh, clean air in the spray booth. This keeps the spraying quality and workers' health. The painting process is full automatically. And just need 2 workers for loading and discharging.
Huh? Huh?